Hey everyone, friends! Today I'll show you how to let your friends join your private servers in Roblox. So let's open Roblox, select a game where I'll be working with our private server. You can create one for free here. Let me find a suitable game. Yes, here I create a private server, name it, click Buy Now, then Not Now. To allow people to join this server, click the three dots and then Manage. Now we configure it. And here we check the box that allows people to join. You can also join like this. This checkbox, we enable it and then we check this box too, which lets us add specific people who can join us. Just write their usernames and allow them to join. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good life, everyone. Good luck and goodbye.